Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel SG Education. Today we will see Class 8 Subject Science Chapter 18 Ecosystems Exercise Solutions. Question 1. Complete the following by using correct option. Question A. Air, water, minerals, soil are fill in the blank factors of an ecosystem. Physical, organic, inorganic. Answer physical. Air, water, minerals, soil are physical factors of an ecosystem. Question B. River, ponds, ocean are fill in the blank ecosystems. Land, aquatic, synthetic. Answer aquatic. River, ponds, ocean are aquatic ecosystems. Question C. Man is fill in the blank in an ecosystem. Producer, consumer, decomposer. Answer consumer. Man is consumer in an ecosystem. Question 2. Match the following. Producers. A. Cactus. B. Aquatic plants. C. Mangroves. D. Pine. Ecosystem. 1. Forest. 2. Creek. 3. Aquatic. 4. Desert. Answer A. Cactus. Desert. B. Aquatic plants. Aquatic. C. Mangroves. Creek. D. Pine. Forest. Question 3. Give my information. Question A. Ecosystem. Answer. Ecosystem is the structure formed by the interrelationships between the living organisms and non-living components in their surrounding habitats. Living organisms are also called biotic factors, while the non-living components are called abiotic factors. The abiotic and biotic factors have a reciprocal relationship with each other. The ecosystem has plants as producers, animals as consumers, and microbes as decomposers. The decomposers return the substances back to the nature by process of decomposition, in which the organic complex molecules are reduced to their inorganic constituents. Thus, the dead remains of plants and animals are once again recycled back to the nature in any healthy ecosystem. Question B. Biome. Answer. Biomes are a larger collection of small ecosystems which are similar in their structure. In a particular biome, there are same climatic, abiotic factors and similar living organisms. Biomes are of two main types: land biomes and aquatic biomes. The land biomes exist only on land. Land biomes are of following subtypes based on the abiotic factors. Example: grasslands, evergreen forests, deserts, tundra ecosystem, ecosystems in taiga, tropical rainforests, etc. Aquatic biomes include freshwater ecosystem, marine ecosystem, and brackish water ecosystem found in the creeks. Question C. Food web. Answer. The complex feeding relationship form a food web. In nature, in any ecosystem, the food chains are not straight and linear, but these are quite complex. A prey is consumed by a predator, but this predator can itself be a prey to some other predator. Example: frog is a predator for variety of insects, but frog is preyed upon by snake, and the snake can be eaten by a bird. The same bird can also feed on insects or frog. The interrelationships between different biotic components of any ecosystem thus form the complicated food web. Now, question 4. Give scientific reasons. Question A. Plants in an ecosystem are called producers. Answer. Plants have the ability to produce food by performing photosynthesis. They are autotrophic and are able to utilize solar energy. By absorbing inorganic substances, they produce organic food. Therefore, they are called producers in an ecosystem. Question B. Large dams destroy ecosystems. Answer. When a large dam is constructed, the original landscape is changed. The trees are cut down, causing deforestation. The wild animals lose their habitat. Many of them become extinct. There is great loss of flora and fauna due to construction of large dams. There is undue pressure on the land surface caused due to stored water column. This may cause earthquakes. The human settlements are removed as their houses and farms are immersed under water. In all the above ways, large dams destroy the ecosystems. Question C. Rhinos were restored in Dudhwa forest. Answer. Long ago in last century, Dudhwa forest was the natural habitat of the one-horned rhino. However, due to hunting and poaching, the rhino became the almost extinct. In order to restore it back, the breeding in captivity was attempted and the young ones were released in the natural habitat. Saving the precious wildlife is important and hence these efforts were done. Next question 5. Answer the following. Question A. What are the effects of increased population on ecosystems? Answer. Human population growth rate is very big as compared to other animals. Moreover, they are apex consumers in an ecosystem. Just like any other organisms, ecosystems provide all the basic needs to humans too. However, man demands much more due to excessive population. The natural resources are utilized on the large scale only by man. Changing lifestyles, consumerism, degradation of nature, and pollution are certain aspects which are created only by human beings. All these cause increased stress on the ecosystems. Large human population also produces large scale solid waste. Question B. How is urbanization responsible for destruction of ecosystems? Answer. When people do not get sufficient food and other amenities, they migrate to the cities. The cities provide employment for many people due to industries, factories, and other facilities. Every day, many people migrate to cities. This causes urbanization. Due to increased population in cities, there is more need of housing. This results in loss of agricultural lands, marshlands, wetlands, forests, and grasslands, etc. The natural ecosystems are lost in an attempt to have developmental work. Human interference causes changes in the ecosystems. When land usage is changed, many naturally occurring species of plants and animals are exterminated. Animal human conflicts are very common in newly established urban areas which are near the natural forests. Question C. What are the reasons for war? Answer. There are difference of opinions and competition over land, water, mineral resources, etc. among neighboring countries. Moreover, there can be economic and political causes which lead to war among different countries. Many times, religions and ethnicity are also caused for dispute. Due to international conflicts, the peace is disturbed and it results in war. Question D. Explain the interactions among the factors of an ecosystem. Answer. The abiotic factors such as air, water, soil, sunlight, temperature, humidity affect the biotic factors, that is the surviving plants, animals and microbes in the ecosystem. The type of abiotic factors in an ecosystem determine the survival of biotic factors. The population of these biotic factors is also dependent on the quality of abiotic factors. The proportion of abiotic factors in an ecosystem fluctuates as biotic factors use up or release particular abiotic factors. Every biotic factor also interacts with its necessary abiotic factors as well as other biotic factors around it. Question E. Differentiate between evergreen forests and grasslands. Answer. The difference between evergreen forest and grasslands is given below. Evergreen forest. First, about 7% of the Earth's surface is occupied by evergreen forests, and about 30% of the Earth's surface is covered by grasslands. Second difference, more than half of the Earth's terrestrial plants and animals are seen in evergreen forests. Grazing animals are seen in grasslands. Third, tropical evergreen forests are dense, multi-layered. Grasslands consist of tall grass. There are wild grasses and there may be some trees. 4. These forests are found in the areas receiving more than 200 cm annual rainfall, that is very heavy rainfall. Grasslands, there is an average of 20 to 25 inches of rainfall a year in grasslands. 5. Tropical regions show over evergreen forests. Several parts of the world have grasslands. Now question 6. Describe the following pictures. Answer. The picture number 1 is showing desert ecosystem, while the picture 2 is showing a forest ecosystem where a wetland is also shown. In desert ecosystem, the producers are green cactus and a palm tree. Since in desert there are scanty rains, the vegetation is very less. The soil is sandy soil. The consumers of the desert are also limited. In the above picture, camel is shown, which is a primary consumer in the desert ecosystem. Camel is very well adapted for desert life. There is also the scarcity of water in desert, and hence cactus shows xerophytic adaptations. In second picture, the forest ecosystem is shown because we can see elephant and tiger in the picture. Also, giant hornbill is sitting on the tree. This forest must be tropical evergreen forest. The rainfall is heavy in such areas and hence different types of wetlands can be seen in forest. Wetlands support variety of life. A separate aquatic ecosystem does exist here, which is closely interconnected with the terrestrial ecosystems through food chains and food web. The birds utilize the fish as their prey. The wild animals come to wetlands to quench their thirst. In this picture, the plants, grass, are producers, small fishes in the lake are primary consumers. They will be eaten by larger fishes which are secondary consumer. In the aquatic ecosystem, the elephant is herbivorous animal and hence it is primary consumer. Snake is the secondary consumer while the birds of prey and tiger are tertiary consumers. Our chapter 18 Ecosystems exercise solutions are completed. If you like this video and want to see the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel SG Education. Thank you.